a limit to the quantity of food you can eat per day, and this is why leafy green vegetables are an essential part of a healthy diet. To boost the nutrients you take in, it is wise to go for leafy green vegetables because they are packed with various nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals, but has small amounts of calories. Some of the several health benefits include a lower risk of obesity, high blood pressure, heart disease, and mental issues. In today's video, we will share with you the 13 healthiest leafy green vegetables to include in your diet. Number 1. Kale. Kale belongs to the cabbage family and has edible leaves. It is regarded as one of the most nutritious vegetables in the world due to the various benefits gotten from its vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Kale contains antioxidants like beta-carotene and lutein, which minimize the risk of diseases caused by oxidative stress. Eat kale raw to get the optimum benefits from it because cooking reduces the nutritional profile. You can also blend it into a vegetable smoothie or juice. Number 2. Spinach. Spinach is a well-known leafy green vegetable that emanated from Persia. You can blend it into dishes which include salad, smoothies, soups, and salads. Spinach comprises loads of nutrients, including calcium, vitamin C, and potassium, and it has a low amount of calories. It is also a good source of folate that takes a major part in the production of red blood cells and the prevention of neural tube defects. During study on the neural tube defect, spina bifida, shows that one of the optimal preventions for the risk factors for this condition was a notable intake of folate in the first trimester of pregnancy. There are various ways you can make use of your spinach, both cooked and raw. Try stir-fried with garlic, blended into a pesto, or rolled up in pasta. Number 3. Beet greens. The importance of beet greens to health has long been known right from the Middle Ages. Beet greens have an outstanding nutrient profile and are loaded with nutrients like iron, vitamins B and vitamin C, including antioxidants that may support eye health. But the leaves are always ignored while beets are generally used in dishes. They help maintain eye health through the antioxidant lutein and beta-carotene, which may lower the risk of eye disorders such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Beet greens can be eaten as a side dish or salads, soups, and sautéed. Number 4. Arugula. Arugula, also known as Italian dress, rucola, and salad rocket, is a leafy green vegetable from the Brassicaceae family. It has a peppery taste and is loaded with nutrients like vitamins B9 and K, provitamin A carotenoids, and dietary nitrate. Although there are debates on the benefits of nitrates, some research shows that they may help in increasing blood flow and reducing blood pressure by widening your blood vessels. The small leaves of arugula can be easily mixed with salads or used as a garnish. Also, you can use it medicinally and cosmetically. Number 5. Romaine lettuce. Romaine lettuce is common lettuce with a crunchy texture, and it is often used in salads. It is rich in vitamins A and potassium. Some studies in rats also showed that lettuce boosted their levels of blood lipids, potentially resulting in the risk of heart disease being minimized. The folate in romaine lettuce may also help prevent serious heart complications. It does this by breaking down the chemical homocysteine so that the body can remove it. Number 6. Microgreens. Microgreens are leafy vegetables that are used as garnish since the year 1980. They are immature greens that are harvested once their first embryonic leaves have developed. Growers produce them from diverse herbs, leafy vegetables, or other plants. Microgreens are loaded with nutrients like vitamin C, E, and K. They can easily be grown all year and effortlessly at home, making them available. Use them in sandwiches, salads, tacos, pizzas, and soups. Number 7. Watercress. Watercress is one of the oldest leafy green vegetables with notable healing properties, and it is maximized in herbal medicine. It is an aquatic plant, and it's from the Brassicaceae family. Watercress has a slightly spicy and bitter flavor, and it complements neutrally flavored foods. It grows rapidly throughout the year, and it is packed with potassium and vitamin A. Some test tube studies propose that its extract may help in the treatment of cancer. You can eat it as a watercress soup, a boiled egg on a sandwich, or ground into a pesto. Number 8. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is closely related to spinach and beets due to their slightly bitter flavor. It is rich in color and frequently used in Mediterranean cooking. Swiss chard has an earthy taste, and it is rich in minerals and vitamins, such as manganese, potassium, and vitamins A, C, and K. Also, Swiss chard contains a distinct flavonoid known as syringic acid, a compound that may help reduce blood sugar levels. However, the assumption that syringic acid may be helpful for the control of blood sugar is yet to be proven for humans. Instead of throwing away the stems of this plant as many people do, the stems are crunchy and highly nutritious. You can try adding every part of this plant to dishes such as tacos, soups, or casseroles. Number 9. Endive. Endive is a leafy green vegetable that belongs to the Sycorium family, which is difficult to grow, and as a result of this, it is less known compared to another leafy green vegetable. Endive has a curly and crisp texture with a mildly bitter taste. It can be eaten raw by mixing it with salads, or you can cook it. Endive contains many nutrients, including the antioxidant kaempferol, which may reduce inflammation and cancer cell growth. We all know we live in a health-sensitive period where many people often try to live a healthy lifestyle. When discussing health, it is impossible to avoid talking about endive, a vegetable with many health benefits. Number 10. Collard greens. Collard greens name originated from the word colwort and refers to loose-leaf green vegetables with thick leaves and a slightly bitter taste. They are a good source of vitamins A, B9, and C, and calcium. They are also one of the outstanding sources of vitamin K, known for their role in blood clotting and their ability to boost bone health. There is diverse use of collard greens, and you can use its leaf in place of a wrap and mix them into soups, stews, casseroles, or pour them into a pesto. Number 11. Cabbage. Cabbage is from the Brassica family, and it is formed of clusters of thick leaves that come in white, green, and purple colors. Cabbage has a bitter flavor, and the studies of animals have shown that foods that contain the compound of this plant may protect you from cancer, especially esophageal and lung cancer. Another awesome benefit of eating cabbage is its fermentation, which can turn into sauerkraut, which provides numerous health benefits, such as improving your digestion and supporting your immune system. Cabbage may be helpful in the weight loss process. You can eat it roasted, stir-fried, in a slaw, and even in curry. You can also turn cabbage into sauerkraut, fermented raw cabbage with a unique sour taste, which gives more health benefits and is potentially good for your gut. Number 12. Turnip greens. The turnip plant is a root vegetable that is identical to beetroot, and the leaves of these plants are known as turnip greens. The leaves of the turnip plant have more nutrients packed in them compared to the turnip plant, in which the nutrients include manganese, calcium, folate, and vitamins A, C, and K, and are low in calories. Turnip greens contain many antioxidants and are considered cruciferous vegetables due to their ability to decrease the risk of severe health conditions such as cancer and inflammation. They are enjoyed better when cooked rather than raw, and they have a strong and spicy flavor. Number 13. Bok choy. Bok choy is a species of Chinese cabbage that contains the mineral selenium, which is essential for the improvements of brain health, immunity, and the prevention of cancer. It is used in stir-fries and soups. The selenium is also essential for the proper functionality of the thyroid gland, which is located at your neck, and helps in the release of hormones that play a vital role in metabolism. With the above explanations, you should know the healthiest leafy greens, their benefits, and how best to consume them. It is best to experiment with it on your own, because as you know, when it comes to vegetables, you cannot be too wrong to get the benefits.